Warmer temperatures and clear skies. Hi and welcome to NewsLink Indiana weather. This is weather forecaster Natalie Fitzpatrick with your Monday web update. Nothing really much to show on radar right now as the clouds have moved over our area due to the influence of a high pressure system that has moved into our region today. Right now, currently sitting over the Ohio River Valley, we can see that a high pressure system has moved into the area, and that high pressure system is going to be the main influence for our weather conditions as the week does continue on for us. Current conditions right now, we are at 62 degrees in Muncie right now. Those clear skies in our area with a south-southwest wind at 6 miles an hour, making for pretty decent conditions as you're going out tonight. But those temperatures are experiencing to drop tonight. But however, these temperatures are a little warmer than we saw this time yesterday. We'll talk about that here in a minute. Right now in Muncie, we're at 62 degrees. Up in Fort Wayne, we're at 55 degrees. And in Shelbyville, we're currently sitting at 60 degrees. Over the whole viewing area, we're ranging in those temperatures from the mid 50s to the uppers to 60 right now, making for pretty decent conditions as you're heading out. Speaking of that temperature change, we can see we have gone up a total of 10 degrees in Muncie, 5 degrees in Indianapolis, and 5 degrees in Shelbyville as well. As we can see, these temperature changes are going to continue as the week does go on, and we're going to see an increase in temperatures for the next week as we go on. But tonight, however, these temperatures are expected to drop into a little cooler conditions, and it's been by 11 p.m. time, we're going to reach 48 degrees, and by 3 a.m. in the morning, we're going to reach 47 degrees. But the night does continue, that those temperatures are expected to get even cooler than that, with a low of 42 degrees predicted for tonight with clear skies. And those clear skies are changing the temperatures as well, because that clear skies, we are experiencing more solar radiation leaving our atmosphere, making for cooler temperatures because those clouds aren't there to trap in that radiation, making for warmer conditions overnight. If we time out this temperature changes as the week does continue, we can see by the tomorrow, by the time you're leaving for work, we're going to be 45 degrees in here in Muncie. So as you're leaving for work tomorrow, you aren't going to jacket, but the temperatures are expected to increase as the day does continue. And by the time you're leaving for work tomorrow, we're going to reach a high of 71 degrees here in Muncie, 71 degrees in Kokomo, and 73 degrees in Indianapolis as well. And those temperatures are going to continue as the week does go on as well. And by the time you're leaving for work for your Wednesday morning, we're going to reach 58 degrees in Muncie. And those temperatures are going to continue to increase going into your Wednesday evening as well. Looking at our temperature for tomorrow, we're going to expect to reach a high of 71 degrees with sunny conditions. However, with those sunny conditions, we are going to experience some windy conditions as well. And as we time out these gusts on our precision cast here, we are going to see a southwest wind at 7 p.m. tonight. But we are going to see an increase in gusts, and by the time you're leaving for work tomorrow, a southwest wind at 19 miles per hour for your gusts, and those gusts are going to continue increase and even go into our Wednesday as well. But for 5 p.m. tomorrow, as you're leaving work, we're going to see 18 miles an hour. As that does continue, we're going to reach gusty conditions for your Wednesday as well. And by the time 11 a.m. for your Wednesday, we're going to reach a southwest wind at 25 miles an hour, gusting conditions. However, those conditions could gust up to 30 miles an hour as well, so you aren't experiencing windy conditions for the next few days. However, we're going to experience warm conditions as well. Speaking of warm conditions, this weekend is looking great if you want to take your seasonal trip to the pumpkin patch. By Saturday, we're going to reach a high of 76 degrees with mostly sunny conditions, and those clouds are staying most of the way out of our area. And come Sunday, they're going to bring a little more chance for cloud cover, but those temperatures are still looking good with a high of 74 for your Sunday. And over the next 6 to 10 days, really, we are going to see above average temperatures in the region. If we take a look what the Climate Prediction Center has given us, we haven't seen above average temperatures over most of the Midwest and really the whole United States, other than in the Pacific Northwest are experiencing below average temperatures. But us here in the Midwest, we're going to experience those above average temperatures as the week does continue. And taking a look at our mid 7-day forecast, we are going to experience those windy conditions over the next few days, but temperatures are going to be on the rise for us. And come Thursday, Friday, sunny conditions are going to continue. But as we start the week, next week, we're going to experience a high of 76 degrees for your Monday with those clouds moving out of the area. You want to find out more? Follow us on NLI Weather on Twitter.